Here we are in the Gold Coast, 1 hour drive from Springbrook National Park. And we just checked into this beautiful apartment. You need to check this out. This shower is worth the payment alone. A shower clearly built for 2 people because you have one shower on the right side and then directly opposite to that you have another shower on the left side. I'm gonna have to decide which side will be good to use. I think Antoine's gonna claim that one, but it's like, why would you shower together? But I mean, why not when you have 2 showers in one shower stall? We've got a bedroom here, another bedroom. But right now we're just gonna chill out for a bit and then go out and explore the city. GC baby! Woo!
You had the Kiwis walking by being like, oh, that's fake ass, that's a fake ass ID.
You have me once again, I'll turn to a friend, someone that understands. No, just like that. Le fantôme, toi! Qu'est-ce que tu fais, toi? Il est malade. Imagine the fence starts moving right now. Oh my god, you're so.
Oh my god, it's fucking Dalton from Movie Fighter.
I thought you were actually gonna fit through there. Pour 1000 euros. This morning, some lorikeets started showing up on our balcony. Lane's very generous with the croissant. She decided to leave some out on the balcony. I guess the croissant works. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It sounded like they were inside. Oh, it looked right at me. There's a beautiful heated pool, 2 jacuzzis, actually 3. So what are we doing here? Let's go down there. For some Australians, they would consider the temperature in this pool cold, and we're becoming like them. That's why Ling's just dipping her feet in. So our French mates Arnaud, Maureen, and Antoine headed back to Brisbane yesterday after an event-filled long weekend here in the Gold Coast and in Springbrook National Park. One of the advantages of living in Brisbane is that you're pretty much close to a lot of things. Gold Coast is just an hour away. You don't even need to have a car. You could just hop on the train using your TransLink card. It'll take you all the way straight into the Gold Coast, or you could even catch a bus for $7. We're gonna enjoy this last day here. We've got one more night in the Gold Coast, so we gotta make it count. It's very common to find swimming pools in Australia, more specifically Queensland, and it's understandable because it does get very hot in the summertime, but we're in winter right now. I don't even think it's 20 degrees out right now, so people are probably wondering, why is he in the swimming pool? Oh, my back! But this little trip here coincides with the most depressing day of the year for me. Because today is my birthday.
Cake day! Yay! But we don't have a cake because I didn't make one. Don't resist it. It's gonna happen every year. And also it's just me here with you.
I could just eat cake and I'll feel a lot better.
And I have to get you a cake.
Nice and steamy. Alright, I think the sauna's just about ready. I don't know if this is in Celsius, but it says it's 61 degrees. It is really not that hot now. It's winter, we've just got a couple more hours left of daylight. Ling's gonna be an amazing wife and she's taking me out for dinner. But before that, we've got a couple of hours to kill, so we're gonna hop on the old tram and head over down to Broad Beach. Go out for a wee wander, explore that area.
For dinner.
Hold on, trams at night. Welcome aboard. This tram is travelling to Broad Beach South, stopping at
You see that?
here for the surface paradise.
That place is called Condom Kingdom.
Bars, clubs, restaurants. Please exit from the right-hand side of the tram in direction of travel. For your own safety, please use the pedestrian crossing to cross the road.
So crazy. Nothing says weekend away in a tourist town like gelato, and it's award-winning. Thank you. Thanks for that treat. It's my birthday.
Like how generous she was with every single flavor. Now these plastic spoons are made in Italy.
Thanks for this generous offering.
Excuse me, wait. At least let me take a photo if you're gonna hijack
Eat it all.
I think I just need to go to the toilets when I hit 500 meters. So which one?
Depends how urgent it is.
Oh my god, they're too close. Why aren't they further?
Look at the beaches. Look at the beaches. Oh, I saw my life flash before my eyes there. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Gonna wet the old whistle. Ling, hi. Wow, what service? I didn't even know you already ordered it. I'm like, that woman over there, she's psyched.
At least you have a nice haircut.
A little bit of garlic, little aioli.
I was like, heck and cheese.
Oh my gosh, I
Really
think it's getting a little
good.
chilly out here now.
It is, yeah.
It's gonna get chilly now.
So we just left the bar. Ling is taking me to a secret place. She won't tell me where it is. So I guess we'll
And
find
you're
out.
so good at handling surprises that you're not trying to like weasel it out.
The only problem is that Ling is terrible at navigation, so I hope we get there. Look at that little round koala bum. We're almost there, according to Ling.
Who does know how to navigate?
Almost the cake, right? Tell me, is it a cake? Is it a cake? Shake your head if it's
Ask
a cake.
one more time, you won't get it. Happy birthday.
Look like my sunglasses. Of course you'd find an Outback Steakhouse here in Australia. I'm Australian, mate. Oh my god, and they're playing Natalie Imbruglia. Does it get more Australian than that?
Listen to this song at the Outback Steakhouse.
Listening to Natalie Imbruglia, followed by Silverchair's greatest hits at the Outback Steakhouse. Cool mall. This is the surprise. I'm happy here. We're going to Kathmandu at that nice open air shopping mall. Still feels very tropical, kind of like the malls you find in Miami or Honolulu. Still don't know where Lake's bringing me. We're walking in the direction of an event cinemas. Are we going to watch a movie?
Yes.
Is it Buzz Lightyear?
Yes.
Buzz Lightyear! Is it McDonald's?
Yes.
Can't be yes to everything. Is that it? That's the one, eh? Yeah! Rainbow cake!
They have a taro one.
Okay, definitely gonna get the rainbow. Definitely gonna get the taro.
Thanks.
What you got there?
Yes.
So are we watching Buzz Lightyear though?
Yep. You'd rather watch that than eat rainbow cake.
Can I watch it while eating my rainbow cake?